Now let us discuss about CLOOK disk scheduling algorithm with the help of an example. Here the disk queue contains the following requests. We can call them as either cylinders or tracks: 98, 183, 37, 122, 14, 124, 65 and 67. Next, read-write head starts at 53 cylinder or 53 track. Direction is towards the large value. So we have to start from 53 and we need to proceed towards the larger value. And totally 200 cylinders are given. Okay. So here we have 200 cylinders from 0 to 199. 0 to 199. Initially the read-write head starts at 53 cylinder. Let 53 cylinder is at this location. Here the direction is towards the larger value. So we need to proceed towards the larger value. So after 50, here we are starting at 53. So after 53 the larger value is 65. Let 65 is at this location. So after this we have to serve 65. Next larger value is 67. Let 67 cylinder is at this location. So next serve 67. And after 67 the larger value is 98. Let 98 cylinder is at this location. So next we have to serve 98 cylinder. That cylinder or track contains some data. So we have to access the data. Next after 98 the larger value is 122. So next service 122. Next larger value is 124. Let 124 cylinder is at this location. So next to serve 124. Next larger value is 183. So this is the final request. So 183. So next to serve 183 request. Here CLOOK disk scheduling algorithm is a slight variation to C-scan disk scheduling algorithm. So we know about C-scan. Here C stands for circular look, circular scan. So in C-scan scheduling algorithm what will happen is the entire width will be covered. So that means here what is the final cylinder here? 199. So we have to serve, we have to process that 199 cylinder also. But here in CLOOK disk scheduling algorithm, there is no need to serve the final cylinder. We have to serve only the final request. Suppose if the final request is for 199, then we have to serve 199 cylinder also. But here the final request is for 183 cylinder. So we have to serve 183. Next, in C-scan scheduling algorithm, what will happen is after reaching to the final cylinder, once again, just here, we have to come back to the 0th cylinder. So after reaching to the, in C-scan scheduling algorithm, we have to reach to the final cylinder. So after reaching to the final cylinder, we have to comes back to the 0th cylinder. So from 0th cylinder onwards, we have to process the remaining requests. Whereas here, here also after reaching to the final request, we have to comes back to the first cylinder request. Here what is the starting cylinder request? 14. So there is no need to go back to 0. So here we have to go back to starting cylinder request. So let 14 request is at this location. So now we have to comes back to the 14. So now we have to process, we have to service cylinder 14 request. So these are the major two differences between C-scan and CLOOK scheduling algorithm. So in C-scan what will happen? We have to go back to the 0. So from 0 the remaining requests will be processed. Whereas in CLOOK disk scheduling algorithm, we have to comes back to the starting cylinder request. So starting request is 14. And after that, what is the next higher value? We have only one value, that is 37. Let 37 cylinder is at this location. So process the data in 37 cylinder. Okay. So if you observe here, 53, next 65 is over, 67 is over, next 98 is over, next 122 is over, 124 is over, next 183 is over, and after that 14 is over, 37 is over. So all the requests are completely processed. So after 37 there is no other request. Okay, after 37 there is no other request. So all the requests are completely processed. Now we have to calculate total number of head movements. Okay, so here what is the final request? 183. So simply subtract 53 from 183. So 183 minus 53, and here what is the request here? 14. So subtract 14 from 183. So 183 minus 14 plus here the request is 37. So subtract 14 from 37. So if you do the subtractions and additions, we will get a value. So that value will becomes the total number of head movements that are needed. So this is about CLOOK disk scheduling algorithm.